Alrighty, good afternoon and welcome to the session. My name is Adele. I will be taking you through the presentation of TAJ Cape Town and TAJ Pamodzi. Uh, I would switch off my screen for now so you don't get distracted by this beauty. Just kidding. Awesome. So basically, guys, this is what I'm going to tell you. So we've actually enhanced our safety precautions and we've made sure that we keep our guests safe. As you were watching on the video, we have actually tapped into the new normal in style and we've actually put all our nice little Indian measures in place. Like we don't do handshakes anymore. We do our namaste greeting and then obviously taking precaution in everything. So we're also moving very far away from paper to paper, and we are also going the technological way. So as you come to check in, you check in personalized and check out as well. And then even your dining experience, you can either now have your in-house, your in-room dining experience as to having restaurant sit down food. And then also you also get to experience your a la carte style as to the traditional buffets that we used to have in the past. And then also the hotel has actually been we've put safety measures in the sense that you only have 2 meters apart from each other, even in terms of communication. Not forgetting what is more important, we sanitize, sanitize, sanitize. So whatever we touch, it is sanitized, and we are sure that we are wearing gloves and making sure that everybody is actually safe. And we are adhering to leaving the room for at least 48 hours until it gets occupied again after the initial guest has left. Okay, so welcome to TAJ Cape Town. We are pleased to inform you that we were the award winners of the luxury historical hotel for 2019, and we are so proud to have won this amazing prize. So just to tap into our location against the main or the key points in Cape Town. So TAJ Cape Town is literally in the CBD, and we pride ourselves with the beautiful Table Mountain that is just a view away from us. So we are 25 minutes away from the airport. As you can see from V&A Waterfront, it's 10 minutes drive. And then from Sea Point, it's actually 15 minutes. Camps Bay and Table Mountains, just 14 minutes away from the property. What makes us so unique is our curated experiences that we have in our surroundings and in on property. We are literally adjacent to the gardens, and as you can see, it is full of history, and you can actually go as far as just taking a walk in the gardens and just enjoying the beauty of nature. And we don't stop there. We've got our very own tour guide. She is available every single week, Tuesdays throughout to Sundays, to be at your service. Then moving forward swiftly is we pride ourselves with authentic things, right? So our building is original in foundation. And as you can see, our pillars that you see all over the hotel like this are at least 100 years old. So this used to be the old Reserve Bank, and this was the banking hall. As you can see, we have kept the original look and feel. Even the chandeliers up there are as old as the building is. How amazing is that? And those that do site inspections with me, they would know that I'll explain what the bell on the top there is all about. So we've got a couple of rooms in our property. Our rooms are either a heritage room type or a tower room type. They're either facing the city or facing the mountain. So you get to get a discovery of what we have to offer. So our luxury heritage rooms with the city view, this is just a teaser shot of how beautiful we have actually put these bedrooms together, not forgetting that luxury is what we do and we understand it way, way, way too good. And then when you look at our luxury tower rooms with the mountain view, guys, who doesn't want a humongous bathroom in a hotel bedroom? You can actually live in our bedrooms and be very comfortable. We've got Wi-Fi across the entire hotel. And then we also spoil our guests with those special events. As you can see, we can also go the extra mile to do what the guest wants. Then we've got the TAJ Club rooms. This is an executive floor with about 12 suites inside. and it's got its own private dining area, which is this. All right. And then we move on the tower suites. We also have 1 bedrooms, and we also have 2 bedroom suites alike. And then we also pride ourselves with our fabulous, famous Bombay Brasseries restaurant. This is where I always say in my presentations that this is where eating food begins. I mean it. This is where it starts. So in Bombay, you get to experience a variety of cuisines. We've got the Indian Malay, and then obviously we've also incorporated a bit of contemporary foods in the menu because of the new times that we are in. It used to be a strictly Indian Malay restaurant, but we have advanced the offering in that hotel, in that restaurant, because we have closed Mint in the meantime, which you will see in a moment. That is Mint Terrace, and we've actually put this on hold at the moment due to the current situations that we are in. So Mint is like your all-day dining restaurant, and you can actually have your breakfast all the way to dinner from the same location. We also have our Jiva Spa. This is what I call the healing bay. If you come into this place, the reality of the matter is you won't come out the same way you came in, because you're gonna have some Indian therapies, and you're gonna be rejuvenated by the time you're done over there. We also have a very, very relaxing fitness center, and also a very long lap pool. As you can see, this is an indoor heated pool within the premises. And then we also have conference venues. I'm talking about conference venues that gives you natural light, all the way to conference venues that are inside the building as well. So we've got your Whale Boardroom and the Taj Boardroom facing the city, and then you've got the other ones that are just within the hotel space as well. But this is just to give you an idea of what we can do as a property to cater for your conferencing needs. Okay, we can do from boardroom style, you can see cinema style, you can do classroom style, all the way to banquet style. We can even cater for your executives that don't want to have a formal sitting environment, but they just want to have like a lounge setting. We can also give them this particular look in our founders venue. Banqueting is also available. I love the Tata Presidential Suite outdoor terrace. Guys, out here, this is where life begins. You've got the full view of the Table Mountain. What am I talking about? You can take up to about 70 people into this particular environment and host a cocktail function. How nice is that? And then when you actually utilize both the indoor spaces and the outdoor spaces, I think you can actually put it to about 80 people. And then that is the reserve, the famous reserve with the red carpet, guys. At the Taj Cape Town, you are always a VIP. No one is just an ordinary guest. All guests are VIPs. That's why we have the red carpet thing going on over there for our conferencing. If you know what it means to say attention to detail, you can look at these images and realize that whatever that was going on here, we meant business and putting the place in order. So our corporates currently are having a special promo for 15.99 DBB, and then all those nice little added benefits. That's your superior room upgrades to a tower city facing room, and all the nice things, the discounts, the free. Let me tell you, one thing that you need to really, really take advantage of is the free Taj Inner Circle membership. This is very, very important, because every time you travel to a Taj property, you get points because you're an Inner Circle member. I just had to point that out. And then we also have a government promo for 15.99 DBB as well. All right. And as you can see, my name is Adele. Let me quickly show you the next presentation. I'm going to chat to you now about our other property, Taj Pamodzi. It is out in Lusaka. Taj Pamodzi is a 5-star property that is in Lusaka, our sister hotel. Let me just get to the presentation quick. Okay, I lost the presentation. But anyway, I will share the further details of that particular presentation, excuse me, for those that would need to have a look at the presentation. With that, thank you so very much for taking the time to listen and watch my presentation. And thank you. Have a good day.